Alright, we are out here with the new Yoda, the Red Rocket, a rusty Red Rocket. Actually, what I was working on the past couple days, check it out, when I got it, it had no carpet in it, and it is the red color, but it had no carpet and it had a broken front seat. So I replaced the carpet. That's not actual Toyota carpet. You can see a couple holes and stuff. I actually cut this out of a GMC van in the junkyard and then cut it to fit, bent it around, made some for the back, and I actually welded in a bracket for this seat out of the same Chevy van. It's red, but it actually works. The slide function works, the recline works, and it's got these sweet armrests. So if you can see the god-awful stuff that went on back here. The welds, they're not really that great, but I think it'll hold up for now. These are these little brackets I made just out of some sheet metal, rolled steel that I got from Home Depot, and then I bolted it through the back two original holes for the Toyota seats, and then I had to make, for the front, I had to just do a couple tabs over and drill new holes through the floor, and then those are just some extra long bolts coming through the floor. So it's held in there pretty good. It does work. So I'm gonna leave it at that for now. The seats are in. Got myself another manual truck. After we lost the Jeep, I had to get something else manual, so the rusty Red Rocket is back.